CaptainPilot Recommended Training Model. Step 6. Aviation English Exam Training for Pilots, Controllers and Aviation Students to reach ICAO Level 4 and Level 5. Our courseware offers a step-by-step solution to preparing trainees for their region's pre-commercial pilot English exam. Perfect for pilots and air traffic control officers who are looking to maintain an ICAO Level 4 proficiency and above in aviation English. Throughout the course, we will cover important exercises that can be found in the real-world aviation English exam. We will focus on target listening by following along with real-life radio communications between pilots and air traffic controllers.